going to start chapter 4, working on text and settings in MS Word part 2. In this chapter, we are going to study about print a document, view each page before printing, print part of a document, etc. So, let's begin. To view each page before printing. If we want to view each page before printing, let us see the steps how you will view each page before printing. Step 1. Click the File tab and then click Print button. This is the Office button. Click on this Office button, then the sub-menu will be appear on the list. From here, we have to select this Print option. A preview of your document automatically appears. To view each page, click the arrow below the preview. In this picture, this is the preview of your document. From here, you can see the preview of your document, preview of your page. And if you want to see the next page of your document, you have to click here. Now let us see a step to print a document. Step 1. Click the File tab. This is the File tab. You have to click on this File tab. A sub-menu will be appear. From that sub-menu, single click on this Print button. Click the Print tab to print a document. Change print related settings and to automatically display a preview of your document. This is the Print button. You have to click this Print button. Then change the settings. Change the settings from here. And it will display a preview of your document. From here, you can see the preview of your document automatically. From here, you can see the preview of your document automatically. After you have done all settings, click on this Print button. This is the Print button. To print a document, you have to click on this Print button. Step 2. Under the printer drop down, you can select from available printer. From here, you can select the available printer. Click here to select the available printer. Step 3. After you have done all your settings, click Print button. This is the Print button. After you have done all settings, you have to click on this Print button. Then you will get a printout. Now next part is print part of a document. If you want to print any part of your document, you can do it. You can print all or part of your document. Easily you can print all or any part of your document. Options for choosing what part of a document is printed can be found on the Print tab in the Microsoft Office Backstage view. Before printing, if you want to see the preview of your document, you can see it from the Page Layout option. Now print multiple copies of the document. If you want to print multiple copies of the document, you can do with the help of Print and Setting options. First, you have to click on this File tab. Click on File tab. A sub-menu will be appeared. From here, you have to select Print option. Single click on this Print button. Click on the Setting option. This is the Setting option. Click on this Setting option. From here, if you want to print all pages of your document, means whole document you want to print, click on this Print all pages option. If you want to print the selected contents of your document, see the steps how you will print the selected contents of your document. Again, same procedure. File tab, click on File tab. Then Print option. Select the Setting option. And from here, you have to select this button, Selection option. Click on this Selection option. Then you can print only the selected contents of your document. Choosing Print Current Page, you will only print the current page. See the steps how you will print a current page. From first select the Setting option, then select the Current Page option. This is the current page. If you want to print a current page, select this Current Page option. Next, choose Print Custom Range to print a range of pages. Your cursor will move automatically to the Pages box entire page numbers and or page ranges separated by a commas counting from the start of the document or the section. For example, type 1, 3, 5 to 12. See the steps how you will do. First click on this file tab, print option and go on settings. From settings you have to select print custom page. Click on this print custom page. This is the print custom page option. Here type the page number which you want to take the printout. Suppose I will write page number 1, page number, give the comma, page number 2, give comma, and now I will write from page number 5 to 12. In this way you can take the printout of the selected pages. If you want to print multiple copies of the document, see the steps how you will print the multiple copies of your document. Same process, click on print option from the file menu, go on settings, this is the setting option. If you want to print even pages, click on only print even pages option. This is the only print even pages option. Click on this option. In this way you can print only even pages. Choose only print odd pages to print odd pages in the document. If you want to print odd pages in your document, same process, from settings, click the only print odd pages option. In this way you can take out the printout of only odd pages of your document. Now print with landscape orientation. See the steps. Step 1, click the file tab and then click print button. Same procedure we have to do. This is the file tab. Click on this file tab. Now click on this print button. Under settings, click the portrait orientation button and choose landscape orientation. This is the setting button. Click on this setting button. Now select the portrait orientation from here and select landscape orientation. In this way you can give the landscape orientation to your document. This settings can be also be changed on the page layout tab. Click orientation and then landscape orientation. You can also change the settings from the page layout. This is the page layout tab. Click on this page layout tab and change the setting. If you want portrait orientation, click on this. If you want landscape orientation, you can change the landscape orientation from here also. Now last, print multiple copies of the document. If you want to print multiple copies of your document, see the step how you will take the printout. Click the file tab and then click print button. Now you know this is the file tab. Click on file tab. Some menu will be appear. Click on this print button. Step 2. Next to the large print button, choose the number of copies in the copies box. This is the copy box. Choose the number of copies. If you want to print 5 copies, write here number 5 and click on this print button to take the printout of your document. Step 3. Click the print button. Click on this print button to take the printout. Hope you understood how to take a printout of a document. That's all for today. We will continue the same topic in the next video.